Oopsies,
Yes,
I got it
you
going.
are human.
Hey everyone, welcome to 12 Days of Cookies. It's day 12, the finale, and who better to celebrate with than Sorted?
Yeah!
They traveled here from London just for this video.
Yeah, just to embarrass ourselves making cookies.
Just for cookies.
So today we're going to be making these Christmas tree cookies, and you can decorate them however you want, just like decorating a Christmas tree. It's going to be so fun. Would you guys please introduce yourselves and let everybody know where can we find you?
I'm Ben, a chef, and this is Barry, one of our normal home cooks from Sorted Food. So a London-based cooking channel.
Yeah, we do all things food, but not much baking.
This shall be interesting then.
Yes.
What's so fun?
Let's get started.
First step to making these cookies, we've got to make the cookie dough. The recipe that we're making is a sugar cookie recipe, but we're going to have fresh orange and clove in it, so it's going to be like the pomander balls.
And what?
Yeah, right. That's most the reaction that I get when I say that.
I know them as like table decorations.
Yes.
And they give off wonderful scent, like an
they
orange
smell
studded
so
with clove.
good.
Proper
So what-
old
so
school, love it.
So
Yes.
something you don't eat?
No.
Okay, oh yeah, so over here, it's not often I get two guests, so I'm gonna put you both to work. This
That's
is so
fun.
exciting. So then over here, I'm gonna have you cream together the butter, powdered sugar, and the orange zest, fresh
Wonderful.
orange
Yeah.
zest. And then over here, I'm gonna have you put together the dry
Right,
ingredients. So we've got flour, clove, and salt. So if you'll whisk those together
Okay.
really well.
And what are you going to do?
I'm going to,
She's done her job, she's delegated.
yes. I'm gonna make sure managing.
Scoop.
I'm gonna manage. Oh,
So
here
you're
you
just
go.
going straight with your fingers.
Over here, you can do that. I'm all right with that.
Right.
Oh, this is great, you guys. I have to help, and now I just get to sit back and chat with you guys.
When was the last time you made
Beautiful.
cookies, Baz?
I don't make cookies, I buy them.
Do you have a holiday cookie that's your favorite?
I'm a gingerbread, really, really heavy as ginger.
And German gingerbread.
Yeah, with
Le Kuchen.
Le Kuchen. I like a ginger with a burn.
Now we're gonna mix in these 2 eggs. That's looking good. Oh yeah, that smells so
I know.
good. All right, and you guys, I'm gonna be posting all of the ingredients and the measurements down below in the description. So if you wanna make these at home, follow along, you can. All right, let's mix in those eggs and our vanilla extract. I'm gonna drizzle it in while you're mixing.
See, the thing is with baking,
Boom.
once you've weighed everything out, it's really easy. Because it's just wet into dry, right? Or dry into wet. But
Yeah, you guys are doing great at this. Then we add half of the dry ingredients in here, mix it up, and then the second half, so we don't get a big poof dust cloud. All right, let's roll it out. The dough's ready, and look at how cute that is.
super soft, so like a Christmas present, we've wrapped it. It needs to chill in the fridge for half an hour or so.
And we patted it down nice and flat into the circular dish shape, so we're gonna pop it in the fridge to chill. And once it's chilled, we'll roll it out. We popped the dough out of the fridge and rolled it out in between these silicone mats so it wouldn't stick to the counter. You can roll it out on the counter if you want, but this dough is pretty soft and sticky. And now we're gonna cut out our cookies. Now we're using a big Christmas tree cookie cutter because I wanted us to have a lot of space to like decorate and have fun. When they're too small, it's just so hard to decorate. There's like no space. So these ones are gonna be a lot bigger, and we are gonna be cutting off the little trunk, and we're gonna be adding our own pretzel trunk. And then when you press it down, the dough's gonna crack a little, that's okay. And just with your fingers, press it back together. Oh, you guys, look at this. Then you're just gonna fill up your baking tray covered with a piece of parchment paper so the cookies don't stick. Okay, this is looking good. Now we're gonna pop them in the oven, heat your oven to 325 and bake for about 13 to 15 minutes. Now the cookies have baked, we gave them plenty of time to cool, and it's time for my favorite part. It is time to decorate. Do you guys have a lot of experience decorating?
No. This is no.
Less is more is my usual motto, but that's not what we've got in front of us. We've got so much amazing stuff.
So many amazing things to ruin here.
There's so many fun things to decorate. You can't go wrong. I'm gonna show you what I did to make these, to set them up like this. You can just have fun with this. You can decorate them however you want.
What I'm hearing is there's no wrong answer.
Yeah.
Can we just
you
say
can't
how
go wrong.
amazing these smell? They just smell like Christmas.
Dude, can you smell the orange?
And the
clove.
The clove, yeah.
So
Oh, it smells like bread sauce.
So yummy.
good. Bread sauce.
Oh, have you had bread sauce? Oh, Rose! It's a British,
It's a soggy bread
British
dip.
classic, and it's exactly
Are
what
you saying bread sauce?
I'm saying a sauce made of
sauce.
bread.
Sauce made of soggy bread.
All right, since you guys don't have a lot of experience decorating, I'm gonna walk you through it. So in a piping bag, I have some green royal icing. This is the cookie icing with a number 3 tip for a little bit more control. And the first thing you wanna do is really pipe the fence. So this holds in the rest of the icing. It's like an outline. So wherever you wanna start, and you can do some wiggles, whoop-a-dee-ba-dee, like that.
It's a combination of patience, a steady hand, and an artistic flair. And I feel like those are 3 things I don't possess.
All right, so this is the one that we line with for a little bit more control. Okay. And then this one doesn't have a tip on it, it's a little bigger. And this icing, same cookie icing, but you can add a little bit of water, a little bit more liquid to make it flood, to fill it in a little easier. So I like to start at the top and the bottom, like I've done here, to let it dry and set. You can get kind of messy with it. Like you just do the zigzags.
Have confidence.
Do. And then I take a little toothpick, little brush, whatever you've got at home in your kitchen, you can use just about anything. Oh, look at that. If you don't want these little details of, you know, the different layers of tree and you just want to ice the whole top of your cookie, you can do that too. We're just being a little fancy. All right, this is looking good, and that's what we do, and we're gonna let this dry, set a little bit, so then when we fill in the middle one, it will keep these lines when you're decorating.
Yes.
What else you can do with royal icing? I remember you were asking me, are these fondant? I said, no, these are actually royal icing transfers. So if you've never done these before, it's pretty cool. So I have some here on a little parchment paper. So cute. I mean, look at these. They're little gingerbread men, and what you can do is to trace them. These have like number 1 tips, very small. Oopsies,
Yes,
I got it
you
going.
are human.
I am human. Okay, here we go. Boop.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, how neat is this? You do this and then you let them dry. If you have a lot of time, you can just let them dry overnight. But if you want to go quickly, like on a baking competition show, you throw them in a dehydrator. All right, do you want to try one of these?
Yes, I do.
Just think steady, control.
It's Christmas, you can do anything, Barry.
Magic's in the air. Oh my gosh, you did great.
Rob, I did it.
It's beautiful. Ooh. We cut the hole so small that it's even smaller than a number 1 tip, you guys. And it's to do little
It's amazing what you can do with a small tip.
Impressive. And just did all the teeny little details on a teeny little design. I think he can decorate. All right, now we've flubbed the cookies and now we're gonna decorate to our heart's content. So you can decorate your little tree however you'd like. It can be traditional with little lights, or we have all these little candies
So
and
much
icing
choice.
colors.
Are you going classy or tacky?
I don't know what to
I think
do
I'm gonna
here.
go classy, but I don't really know what that means.
I'm going tacky and embracing tinsel everywhere. What are your thoughts on tinsel?
I love it.
Bro, I need your top tip.
Okay, what do we
When
do?
you get overexcited and you make a mess,
Yeah.
how do you correct it?
What do you want to do? What do you
It's
want?
supposed to be a dot and it looks like a fish.
Okay.
Do you just scoop it off?
Yeah, you can scoop it off because it's not like a flooding icing. It's not as liquidy. It's a little bit more stiff.
What's the definition of classy?
Isn't it like being like fancy or sophisticated?
Yeah. I've gone for all the Christmassy colours.
Oh my gosh, those are Laker colors. You've got a Lakers Christmas tree. Okay, now it's not
No, it's
Lakers.
not.
Now it's
No,
doing
I'm
something else. This one's Starry Night. This one's just all stars. I'm gonna do a whole gingerbread tree. Look at how cute these are. Oh, I gotta use these. Oh, gingerbread cookies. Those are my favorite holiday cookies.
Right, you're so artistic, whereas I try to be artistic and it comes out in absolute squares. It's just like, I'll try and make it random, but it still looks so thought out.
Yours are very organized. That's something
That's what I
really
mean.
like. Like
it's
yours
supposed to be
are, like,
artistic and it's just organised.
Very organized. Oh my gosh, yours looks so
I know.
full.
Like you said. That was tacky in your face. This time, you watch. It's going to be so classy.
Okay, I can't wait.
There we go, I'm going to stop there, otherwise my organised will look messy.
Yeah, keep it type A here. Good job, good job.
I think definitely when you get people together to do this kind of stuff, like we're doing today, it's so much fun because you can laugh at all the rubbish ones, but there's no such thing as a wrong answer.
Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so cute. This is making my heart happy. We've filmed some fun videos together, and the last time we hung out, I actually, on the day we hit 10 million
That was
subscribers
ridiculous.
when we were hanging out. That
was
just
amazing.
nuts.
What a milestone.
And if you hear a little baby, that's my little baby nephew. There was no plan. It was just like all
No plan, and it still
gingerbread
looks
men.
as good as that.
Just throw all the gingerbread men on there. How many more can we fit? Oh, I like the stripes. Ooh, I'm gonna add even some more detail here.
These would be so cool to hang on the tree. A little hole in the top.
They wouldn't even last a day in my house. I've got 2 bulldogs, or the kids would get them. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of snow to the tree. Have a little winter wonderland, a little snowy Christmas.
It's one of those things you start off thinking, oh, this will be fine, and then you get really competitive.
And then you tell yourself, gosh, I should have stopped 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, I think the same about mulled wine. Should have stopped at the last glass.
Okay, I'm almost done. Almost done. Doing these little scoops here.
From London to here, it is my Stars and Stripes.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at, you've got the little candy canes
Oh,
on
you're
the
doing texture.
tree.
Textures as well.
You guys, these are really cute. Okay, we're gonna keep decorating and we're gonna show you our final cookies.
Ta-da!
This is what we got.
Here are the Christmas tree cookies that we made today. Okay, let's see your designs, guys. Who wants to show one off first?
This is we've come across the pond to do Stars and Stripes. Merry Christmas.
Okay. This is gingerbread men on gingerbread men on gingerbread men.
It's a gingerbread convention.
Yeah, it's raining gingerbread men.
Right. I let my childish side come out a little bit.
Do you sneeze? You get a cold at Christmas.
Most of it didn't stick. And then we've got one with texture. I took my
that
time.
one.
I like that one.
I really like that one, the little candy canes and the bows and the texture. The star one, I don't know what happened here. I just wanted to have stars.
I like it. It's less is more. I feel like we're on the same
that's
page on that
nice.
one.
I really like this
Organised
one.
fun.
Organised fun.
I love this one, the simplicity of a ring of
Oh, isn't
lights.
that
That's
classic?
beautiful.
Oh, the poinsettia flowers
Yeah.
are gorgeous.
That's
Like a tree and
I
Howard's
feel like
days.
this is bougie Christmas.
Yeah.
And here's a little winter wonderland.
That's
Just
cute.
a lot of snowflakes and icy colors. Let us know in the comments down below which Christmas tree design is your favorite. All right, that does it for the video. A big thanks to you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed 12 days of cookies, and a big thanks to the Sorted guys. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank
As
you.
always.
This was amazing.
Now we're about to put you to the test. See how much you actually know about your baking ingredients.
I'm ready. Check out the video. I'm gonna put a link down below over on their channel. We're gonna be doing a baking game competition.
Yeah. All become very clear.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. Bye, you guys. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.